Alright, today we're talking about tires for a 2011 GMC Acadia. What kind of tires go on, what size, and how much do they cost? Well, to jump right in, everybody, I have Michelin Defender LTX Mud and Snow. That's what I buy for around here in Utah. They are 255 60 R19s. And how much do they cost? Well, I just purchased two of them, and the price was $219 for the tire. $30.75 for the certificate, $1 for a state fee, another $3 for a waste fee, and installation was $22. So two tires out the door, $591.33. So, geez, $600 for two tires basically. So $300 each. That's seems kind of spendy. But they're good looking tires, and we balanced them, and we mounted them on the back, the brand new ones, whereas the other tires that I had were still really pretty good shape. I put them on the front. So once again, tires for a GMC Acadia 255 60 R19 Michelin Defender LTXs. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom.